said, I know you're a 10. It's some kind of magic. We both know